Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Manychat account. This is an important process if you're no longer using the platform and want to completely remove your data and presence from it. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Manychat website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. This is where we'll begin the deletion process, but before we can fully delete your account, there's a crucial preliminary step we need to handle. You need to disconnect any channels that are currently connected to your Manychat account. This is essential because Manychat won't allow you to delete your account while active channels are still linked to it. To do this, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings area, stay on that left sidebar and locate the option labeled Channels. Click on it to see all the social media accounts and platforms currently connected to your Manychat. You'll see a list of any channels you've integrated, such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or others you might have set up. Now, select the channel that's connected to your account. For example, if you have Instagram linked, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the specific settings for that particular channel connection. Within that channel settings, look for the option that says Remove Instagram account from Manychat or whatever platform you're disconnecting. Once you find it, click on Remove. A confirmation window will appear asking you to verify this action. You'll need to check all the checkboxes that appear and then type Remove into the field provided. This double confirmation ensures you're not accidentally disconnecting something important. After typing remove, click confirm to finalize the disconnection. If you have multiple channels connected, you'll need to repeat this process for each one individually. Make sure every channel is disconnected before moving forward, as this is required to proceed with the account deletion. Once all your channels are successfully removed, navigate back to the left side of the settings menu and click on General. This is where the main account management options are located, including the final deletion option. In the general settings, scroll down until you find the delete account option. When you see it, click on delete. Just like with the channel removal, Manychat will ask you to confirm this action because it's permanent and irreversible. You'll need to type delete into the confirmation field to proceed. After typing delete, click the final delete button. Your Manychat account will now be permanently removed from the platform, along with all your data, automations, and settings. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Manychat account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.